Billionaire, where every day begins above the clouds. No crowded airports, no waiting in lines, just you, your jet, and a schedule built entirely on your terms. Up here, every call matters. One conversation, one decision can move millions. While others wait for opportunities, you create them, closing deals before you even land. Every detail is planned, every move is calculated, because at this level, there's no room for guessing. You're not just rich, you think differently. Time is money, and you never waste either. Your office isn't a building, it's wherever you decide to be. Even at 40,000 feet, business never stops. Emails answered, investments managed, deals finalized. While others relax, you build empires in motion. No noise, no distractions, just focus, precision, and the kind of discipline that separates the wealthy from the truly powerful. The door lifts, and the world slows down for a moment. Not because it has to, but because you've earned the right to move faster than it ever could. The engine hums beneath you, not loud, not chaotic, just controlled power. The kind you understand, the kind you command. Out here, decisions aren't guesses. They're instincts sharpened by years of risk, failure, and precision. You don't chase success anymore. You position yourself so it has no choice but to find you. And when you arrive, the real work begins. No cameras, no applause, just quiet luxury and decisions that shape everything. The doors open, and it's not just a home, it's a statement. Every detail reflects something deeper. Taste, discipline, and standards most people will never understand. You don't walk in to relax, you walk in to reset. Morning doesn't start with an alarm, it starts with awareness. Sunlight pours in, not to wake you up, but to remind you where you are. You check the time, not because you're rushed, but because every second still belongs to you. That watch on your wrist? It's not for style, it's a symbol. And when the work is done, you don't escape the life you built, you enjoy it. No rush, no noise, just calm, earned, not borrowed. The ocean moves at its own pace, and for once, so do you. But behind it all, there are nights like this. No audience, no noise, just you and the weight of everything you carry. Because the truth is, this level isn't easy. Every decision echoes louder, every mistake costs more, and every win comes with pressure to do it again, bigger. The world sees the jet, the house, the freedom, but they don't see this. The late nights questioning everything, the moments where even you aren't sure what the next move is. Because at the top, there's no one to ask, no blueprint, no guarantees, just responsibility. And yet, you sit there feeling it all, the pressure, the doubt, the silence, and you don't quit. Because this is the price, not just of wealth, but of greatness. So you take a breath, you lift your head, and tomorrow you do it all again. Sharper, stronger, unstoppable. Because this isn't just your life, it's the life you chose.